The second game, like the first thing, has us putting things in order, but this time we're leaving some of the things out, so you'll see that I have left myself a visual representation of that idea. And you see that L and M always out. I mean, not both of them, but the first rule says they can't both be in together. They're not both on display, so one of them's always out. So visually, I show that in my diagram. All right, let's answer some questions. Oh, wait, do I need to say anything about the rules? I'll just note that Rule 2 says that P is between O and S if P is present. And that little handle on my little suitcase tells me that if they are not together in either order, so it could be OPS or it could be SPO. But if they're not together, all three of them, then you don't have P at all. And the others were self-explanatory. R is first or sixth or not there at all. S is not second and fourth. N is fifth or not there at all. All right, now we can answer some questions. Question 6, and again, the only way that an ordering could be incorrect is if it violates our rules, and this is the way this works. In answer choice A, you've got L and M right both there, and you can't have them both. Get rid of that. That's rule 1. In answer choice B, you have N in second place. And rule 5 says it can't be in second place. And in answer choice C, you've got R in like 5th place, and R has to be first or last. That's wrong. Get rid of that. And in answer choice D, you've got RPS. And if you've got P, it is OPS or SPO. Get rid of D. That leaves us with E. I'll throw it into my diagram, SPO VLR. Leaving out M and N. All right, question 7. If we're using N and P, who could be in position 1? Well, if we're using N, N has to be in position 5. If we're using P, P has to be surrounded by O and S. So P is not there, or there because you can't put S. Or there, P will have to be there so that he can be surrounded. And then we were asked who could be in position 1, and that answer is either O or S. And we get S. Question 8. Oh, I didn't number this. Question 8, if L is in 6 and O is in 2. L is in 6, M is out. O is in 2. That means P is out because we're not going to get OPS. And everybody else is in, but I don't really know. Let's see. Oh, N. I do know. N has to be there. Oh, which now means that S can't be there. R is in. R has to be first. S can't be fourth. Wow, oh my gosh. We knew where everybody goes. What were we asked? What has to be true? It makes sense. Everything has to be true. And Sarah's bowl does have to be in position 3. All right, question 9. If we put Park in 4. So now we've got O and S. And place 5 is not N, so we're kicking N out. And you see me continuing to reserve that spot in my off column for either L or M. Now what? We've got R, which can go either place. We've got L and M, and one of them's going to be out here, and the other one's just going to have to be in because I can't put anybody else out. So we've got L or M, and R, and V. But I don't know where they go. What was I asked? Bowl 2 must be. Must be? It could be L, or it could be M, or it could be V. Can't be R, because R is first or last, but L or M or V. Oh! I got choices. L or M or V. All right, so that's 9. Question 10. If L is in 1 and O... I like this game. A lot of these very directive questions telling me exactly what to do. L is in 1 and O is in 4. O is in 4. All right, so now we know that L is in, M is out. Could we get P? Let's see, if we put P there, then, okay, it looks like we're going to get either P or else N, right? Because if we're going to put P, it'll have to be there, and then you'll have to have S. Oh, wait. No. We're not going to get P, because now we can't have R. There's no place for R, so R is out. But also, there's no place for N, so N is out, and that's too many things out, so that's not happening. So it's L-O. Not doing P, so that is N instead of P. All right, now everybody else is in, R is in, and V and S is never second. Bold can't be displayed, M and P. All right, we did a little more work than we had to there. All right, question 11, a potter whose bowl must be displayed. Well, we have already shown that P does not have to be displayed. Get rid of answer choice C. And M does not have to be displayed. That doesn't help. And N does not have to be displayed. Get rid of answer choice A. And that leaves us with O or R or V. And why is it that B, O has to be displayed? Put O out. Question 11. Holding a space for L or M. Then we'll put O out, and if we've got O out, then we've got P out, and that's too many out. We can't put O out. And by that same thinking, we also can't put S out, because we'd have exactly the same problem. O and S have to be included. Of course, S isn't an answer choice. That leaves us only question 12. So N and P and R are all displayed. Well, we got rules governing their display. N is here. P has to be surrounded by O and S, so P is not here or here or here because of S. So P is nowhere here. P could be here. P can't be there. O and S. P, O and S in some order, and that means that R is displayed here. Either L or M is always out. And then this could be L or M or V, and the other two of them are just not displayed. What has to be true? N is next to R? Yes, that has to be true. And that finishes off this game.